January is National Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, and Soroptimist International of Chico is making it their mission this year to promote the importance of screenings and awareness. And joining me now with details, Soroptimist Chico President Amy Louise, and also Butte County Public Information Officer Lisa Almaguer. Thank you both for being with us
Thank
today.
you for having us.
We're talking about the importance of maybe normalizing conversation about cervical cancer, the word cervix. I mean, it's not a bad word.
No.
But let's talk about why Soroptimist took this on this year.
So I am the current president, and coming into my presidency, I am allowed to pick a president's project. And in 2015, my friend and general manager, Mandy Pearson Johnson, died of cervical cancer, age of 34. And I presented it to the club. They loved it, and we ran with it. What we didn't know was how dire the need is to bring attention around cervical cancer in Butte County. And we've really educated ourselves and are passing along that information.
And you're partnering with the county and others to deliver this message and make it easier for women to get their pap smears year-long. This is a year-long project, right?
So what we found was that we did not need to recreate the wheel, that there was information out there through public health, and then we also have partnered with Ambula Health to be able to get the resources out there. So it's a lot of learning and a lot of information, but with public health, it's been, much easier than recreating the wheel.
Well, how serious is the problem in this area?
Well, Amy's got some data to share, and I have some other data as well. But it is a big problem. Butte County has the highest mortality rate in the Northern California area.
Yeah.
So nothing to sneeze at here.
No,
it's
the
very serious.
highest in Butte County and one of the highest in California, and it definitely impacts Hispanic, African American, and the Hmong community. So that's basically who we are reaching out to get this information out.
In terms of, well, let's talk about the cause.
Absolutely. So cervical cancer is highly preventable, and the primary cause of cervical cancer is an infection with the human papillomavirus, which most of us know as HPV. HPV is the most common sexually transmitted infection, and more than half of people who are sexually active will get HPV at some point in their lives.
And let's talk about that prevention, because that's key. I mean, early detection is why you get a pap smear in case you do have it. But
absolutely, yes. So the most important thing is preventing HPV. And there's several things that people can do. Using condoms every time you have any kind of sex, limiting your sexual partners, and being in a monogamous relationship. If you have multiple partners, then getting tested for sexual transmitted infections often is important. Not smoking or vaping, and then lastly, getting vaccinated for HPV.
And that's ideal among what age?
As young as 9, but it is recommended between 11 and 12 years of age, and up to 26 years of age if you haven't previously been vaccinated.
We could talk about this for, a long time. Unfortunately, we are out of time, but I want to steer you to the Soroptimist International Chico website, where you've got a lot of more information and also going to be promoting the various free and low-cost screenings that are available. So again, you could go to that website all year long, also Butte County Public Health. And we do have a link on our website where you can find out more, and that's at actionnewsnow.com. Click on News Links.